Happy Thursday, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, and it's me, Miss JD, once again. And this time around, I'd like to revisit our stocks. How is the Philippine market performing at the moment? And so far, well, we'll discuss some of the most trending stocks for today, and feel free to drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts, and of course, drop a request so I can review that in the next video. In the meantime, you're invited to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if this is the first time you're watching my video, so you're always updated. Okay, let's get started. We have seen recoveries in the past 4 days for the index. It's been a while. I mean, for the past how many weeks now? Actually, since July, I've been focusing on some other stuff, particularly the US market and cryptocurrencies. And if you are to look into my other videos, I've been creating videos about NFT games because the objective is while the Philippine market is down, we have to be fast and creative in finding ways on how we can diversify our investments. And of course, the play to earn model is trending at the moment, so we gotta ride what's in the hype. Okay, so taking advantage of the momentum right there. Okay, so the index has been recovering the past 4 days, so this is really a good sign. Previously, we had a resistance forming at the 6,600 level, so that's a good one because today we ended right above that. That means we are expecting a possible breakout or a continuation to the upside. Look at this, our Bollinger Band is starting to open up, so chances are we are going to see continuation to the upside right there. Our new support, I'm looking at the new support here right now at the 6,600 level. And if you are also to draw the downtrend channel, that will be this area. So this is your downtrend area, downtrend channel, and we have finally broken out of that. It was actually yesterday, but there was a resistance very nearby. So this is a much better picture. I'm expecting some more movement to the upside. You also have some foreign buying that happened today, so chances are our stocks in that are part of the index would be also performing really well. So we are going to check them out today as well. Okay, NFB means net foreign buying. So for those viewers of Miss JD who are in the cryptocurrency world, this is a taste of what we do here in the stock market. So the index is like a basket where you have all the major companies in the country put in there. So if the index is moving up, then chances are these are the top 30 plus companies. Will most likely have the same sentiment or direction, but it's not representative of everything. We have to look at every single stock in order to really find the movement of that particular company. So let's go ahead and check them out. We go all stocks here. I click on trade so we can uh, check out how these are performing. What is this? Tech W. I think this is the one that's related to the uh, announcement of stocks right offering of tech. So I was not able to catch this. I did not actually. Let me see. This is fairly new. Okay, so I think this one I really cannot say anything as of yet because it's just the fourth day. But look at the volume. So chances are it could even follow. It could have a continuation to the upside. There was, if you're just to look at it on the 3 day mark here, past 3 days, this was the movement right here, and you've broken out of that with some good volume. So who knows? We could still have continuation to the upside right there. ASIN. ASIN, after a big jump right here, there was a retracement, but this is a healthy pullback. You know why? Because look at this. So we moved up, we retraced, okay. However, We made a recovery. Look at this. If this MA20 line gets respected or we don't break that, okay? Because right now it's just sitting at the MA20 line in our Bollinger Band. So if that gets respected and we have another green candlestick, then chances are we will have a continuation to the upside. My view on this is that the chances of it bouncing at this level is are really high, because when we did a bounce over here, look at the big volume. It's a very significant volume. I think this is the biggest volume ever traded here, um, ever, right? And look at this. 4 days after that, look at the volume of people selling. People, that means people are holding onto their positions. And if there's a healthy pullback right here, those are just the traders locking in some gains, because they must have entered right over here. Okay, they're already profitable, let it be. And that's the nature of our stock market or even cryptocurrencies. If there's already a significant increase in the price, then there will be pullback that will happen. So I'm plotting 856, the area where it is at right now, as our potential support. Okay. Whatever I'm saying right now, that could also be negated. If that gets broken, chances are we will go down further to 817. But in the meantime, I'll just plot that and just plot this just in case. Did I say 817? 8 peso level. Could be here too, right? This one first, because we saw this. This was your support previously, and if you go down, it will revisit previous support areas. So that is for ASIN. Converge. Oh, this is a flag pattern for Converge, right? And we've broken out of that flag pattern. It's like that. Okay, so we're starting to trigger that. Hopefully it doesn't retrace. Next would be if it goes back, this is how it will look like. Maybe another day of green, and then it will test your previous resistance, create a brand new support right there. Perhaps it will go sideways first before it continues to move higher. What we want to see here is for the volume to really catch up, because right now the volume is too small. And when we see that happening, when a price goes up and the volume is not that significant, chances are it will easily just drop, go back to previous levels. So that's what I'm expecting right now. Could be one more day of green, or it could even be the next day. We'll have the price revisit the 2736 area before it continues to move up again. Emperador. Emperador, I'm a bit scared with this setup, because your RSI here is showing some weakness. Look at that. While the price was moving higher, then price was moving higher, but your RSI is on a decline.